Hello friends, in today's video I am showing you how to make two dishes using 1 pound of shrimp. These two dishes are very easy to make and use less ingredients, so let's get started. First dish is shrimp green beans stir fry. Ingredients are oil, oyster sauce, MSG, this is optional, garlic, green beans, and shrimps. First, add oil. You can use any oil of your choice. And then add garlic. Keep stirring until it turns brown. Once the garlic turns brown, add shrimp. Mix two together. Get ready to add the green beans. Adding green beans. Give it a few stir and then you will add oyster sauce. And after that, you will stir everything together. And that's it, the completion of dish number 1. Dish number 2, spicy shrimp basil. Ingredients are blended garlic and chili, basil, shrimps, oil, MSG, this is optional, and seasoning sauce. First, add oil. Once the oil is hot, then you will add chili and garlic together. After you stir garlic and chili together for a few seconds, then you will add shrimp and mix everything together. After that, you will add basil and then add seasoning sauce. And that's it, the completion of dish number 2. I cooked the steamed rice to go with the two dishes. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and comment down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye-bye.